never make a pretty woman your wife. So from my personal point of view, get an ugly girl to marry you. A pretty woman makes her husband look small, and very often causes his downfall. As soon as he marries her, then she starts to do the things that will break his heart. But if you make an ugly woman your wife, you'll be happy for the rest of your life. An ugly woman cooks meals on time, she'll always give you peace of mind. If you wanna be happy for the rest of your life, never make a pretty woman your wife. So from my personal point of view, get an ugly girl to marry you.
Wait for.
Don't let your friends say you have no taste. Go ahead and marry anyway. Your face is ugly, my eyes don't match. Take it from me, she's a better catch. If you wanna be happy for the rest of your life, never make a pretty woman your wife. So from my personal point of view, get an ugly girl to marry you. Say man, hey, baby, I saw your wife the other day. Yeah, she's ugly. Yeah, ugly, but she sure can cook, baby. Yeah, you wanna be happy for the rest of your life, never make a pretty woman your wife. So from my personal point of view, get an ugly girl to marry you. If you wanna be happy for the rest of your life, never make a pretty woman your wife. So from my personal point of view, get an ugly girl to marry you. If you wanna be happy for the rest of your life, never make a pretty woman your wife. So from my personal point of view, get an ugly girl to marry you. If you wanna be happy for the rest of your life, never make a pretty woman your wife. So from my personal point of view.
Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye, cruel world.
Oh, goodbye, cruel world. I'm off to join the circus. Gonna be a broken-hearted clown. Paint my face with a good-for-nothing smile. 'Cause a mean, fickle woman turned my whole world upside down.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Farewell to love. I'm off to join the circus. Gotta find a way to hide my tears. Then I'll have them rolling in the aisle, and I'll forget that woman if it takes 100 years.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Oh, step right up and take a look at a fool. He has got a heart as stubborn as a mule. Come on, everybody, he's good for a laugh, and no one could tell his heart is broken in half. Well, the joke's on me. I'm off to join the circus. Oh, Mr. Barnum, save a place for me. Shoot me out of a cannon, I don't care. Let the people point at me and stare. I'll tell the world that woman, wherever she may be, that mean, fickle woman made a crying clown out of me.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Shoot me out
Knew what he was doing when he caught my eye. They do run, 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 they do run, run. He looked so quiet, but my oh my. They do run, 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 they do run, run. Yes, he caught my eye. Yes, my oh my. And when he walked me home, they do run, 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 they do run, run. Pick me up for 7 and he looked so fine. They do run, 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 they do run, run. Someday soon I'm gonna make him mine. They do run, 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 they do run, run. Yes, he looks so fine. Yes, I'll make him mine. And when he walk me home, they do run, 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 they do run, run. Doo-lang, doo-lang, doo-lang. Doo-lang, doo-lang. He's so fine. Doo-lang, doo-lang, doo-lang. Wish she were mine. Doo-lang, doo-lang, doo-lang. That handsome boy over there. One with the wavy hair. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna make him mine. He's the envy of all the girls. It's just a matter of time. He's a soft-spoken guy. Also seems kinda shy. Makes me wonder if I should even give him a try. But then again, he can't shine. He can't shy away forever. And I'm gonna make him mine. If it takes me forever. He's so fine. Oh yeah. Gotta be mine. Oh yeah. Sooner or later. Oh yeah. I hope it's not later. Oh yeah. We've got to get together. Oh yeah. The sooner the better. Oh yeah. I just can't wait. I just can't wait to be held in his arms if I were a queen. And he asked me to leave my throne. I'd do anything that he asked, anything to make him my own. For he's so fine, so fine, so fine, so fine, so fine, so fine.
Dum 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 dee doo be dum 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 dee doo be dum 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 dee doo be dum wow 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 dum 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 dee doo be dum 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 dee doo be dum 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 dee doo be dum wow 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 wow. Well, love, lovey darling, come and go with me, come home with me, baby, under sea. I need you, darling, so come go with me. Come into my heart, darling, we will never part. I need you, darling, so come go with me. Yes, I need you, yes, I really need you. Please say you never leave me. Well, say you never, yes, you really never.
Never give me a chance.
Come, 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 come into my heart, darling, we will never part. I need you, darling, so come go with me. Yeah!
give me a chop, chop.
Love me, darling, come and go with me. Don't, 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 baby, don't deceive. Don't, 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 so come go with me. Don't, 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 come on, go with me. Don't, 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 come on, go with me. Don't, 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 come on.
Oh, baby. You can have this dance with me. You can hold my hand and whisper in my ear sweet words that I love to hear. Oh, baby, don't be shy. Just take your time. I like to get to know you. I like to make you mine. I've been waiting, sitting here so patiently for you to come over and have this dance with me. And my number is Beechwood 45789. You can call me up and have a date any old time. Hey, oh baby, hey, don't be shy. Just take your time. I like to get to know you. I like to make you mine. Beechwood 45789. You can call me up and have a date any old time. And my number is Beechwood 45789. You can call me up and have a date any old time. Beechwood 45789. You can call me up and have a date.
Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo kung ba kaya'y ibigin mo kahit maputi ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo manangarap na nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ayaw niyang balik natin. Pagkaalala ko sa'yo, ang ating pangako, ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Lahat ka daw ni Pino.
Alam niyo kung kanya din yun.
Si Pino, lahat ka daw.
Paparticipate kayo na
Pino. Siya mo.
Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ang pag-ibig
have another one, please.
Dating is a game that grown-ups play. Dating means acting in a silly way. Dating.
Hindi kami bato para magpatalo. Django, kaya mo ba to? Sumabay ka na lang, huwag kang mahihiya. Sige, subukan mo, baka may makala. Walang mawawala kapag magtsatsaga. Kung gustong gusto mo, sundan mo lang ako. Mga bata, handa na ba kayo? Sabay-sabay! Django, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Django, kaya mo ba to? Hindi kami bato para magpatalo. Django, kaya mo ba to? Isang ulit pa! Django, kaya
still. I think this time around I am gonna do it like you never knew it. Oh, I'll make it through. The time has come for me to break out of the shell. I have to shout that I am coming out. I'm coming out. I want the world to know.
By August she was mine. Yeah, keep on dancing, gotta be the other one. It's the other one. Yeah. Everybody loves a clown, so why don't you? Everybody loves the things that I say and do. They all love when they see me coming, but you don't love, you just stop running. Everybody loves a clown, so why can't you? A clown has feeling too. I took around at the party when you weren't there. But you don't get feeling good, we just don't care. If you wonder why this clown is crying, look a little closer inside, I'm dying. It's that easy to be, love you see, when you're a clown like me. Yeah. We still don't know what to say, that I love you. 'Cause you would smile and say, don't you want to? Yes, I'm the clown that I wanna be. Why can't you see the other side of me? Guess I'll be the guy who plays the part of a clown with a broken heart. Dreaming of your love and not knowing where to start. Dreaming of your love and not knowing where to start. Dreaming of your love and not knowing where to start. And they walk. I go crazy 'cause you looks like butter, but stick like a bee. Like every girl in history. She bangs, ooh baby when she moves. No, she reminds me that a woman only wants is her body.
Galing mo maglaro sa saging.
Ha? Sayaw kayo, kayo magsayaw eh. Si Dalila. Gaya sa London yun. Sa London.
She walks like she talks and she talks like she walks. She bangs, ooh baby when she moves. I go crazy,
Hang it up, baby.
like a flower, but
Bring it.
like a bee, like every girl in history. She bangs,
All right.
oh she moves, Hey.
Why do fools fall in love? Why do birds sing so gay? And lovers away the break of day. Why do they fall in love?
of those who mga nag-donate. O si Concepcion, wala pa raw. Kung basta may partner na, okay na. At tinatanong ko lang, sino walang partner? Oh, punta ka doon. Ikaw, wala kang partner, punta ka doon. Huwag ka lang mamili partner. Alam niyo, may revelation ako mamaya. Asa pa si Oring? Dapat si Oring yung partner niyan. Two out of three. Pag nakapandalawa ka na, panalo ka na. Yung natalo, upo. Yung natalo, stay. Okay? Yung 20, makinig. Yung 20 nung natalo, bibigay ko sa nanalo. Okay? Oh, sige. Oh. Ibig start, ha? Oh, bato, pick. Bilangin nyo. Hindi, 2 out of 3. Tatong laban. Bato, pick. Isa pa, bigay, talo ka na. Bigay mo na. Ayun po na. O, isa pa. Bato, pick. Siguro, dalawa na kayo.
Baby, ito to.
Topic. Topic. Isa pa. Topic.
Oh!
Alright. Sige. Sa gitna. Tayo para mabilis. Sasayang ako natin.
Puta, sa higpit ang pangangailangan.
Ako, kawawa naman ang wala kang makawawa dun. Alright. Sino wala? Oh, ikaw.
Panalo dapat.
May pera eh. Ikaw ang bakmambay. Kaya kita binigyan ng pera. Alfredo kalaban mo, spread.
First round pa na yan.
Hoy, makinig. 2 out of 3. Ibig sabihin, sa tatlong laban nyo, pag nakadala, ang dami natin naging anakin lang din natin maintindihan. Okay na lahat, okay.
Pag matanda na.
Okay, game. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Oh, hindi na kadalawa, pwede na mong isa pa. Kala ka dalawa? Oh, baka meron pa din tatawas. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Oh, panalo si Gladys. Ganyan kayo, di ba?
Sorry.
Ay, hindi ko nakita. Alam ko ito lang mga ito. O, dito na. Kita na. Ikaw yun, o. Ay, ikaw. Kami, ha? Ayan. Si Ombong. Si Sergeant Ombong. Wala ka ngayon. Okay? Okay. Game, ha? Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Pick. Tato kumain. Malapit kayo. Yan, tatlo. Tama, ano?
Hati-hati na tayo dito.
Okay.
Ang bagal mo eh.
Yan ang iasa eh. Okay, game. Bato, pick. Pick. Oh, ay wala pa po nakakalawa sa inyo. Bato, pick. One lang. Bato, pick.
Lakas!
Ilan. Hati na lang eh. Lala.
Meron pa yun.
Hati na lang.
Hati-hati na lang.
O magkano hawak mo? Yun. Akin. Okay na.
Binabago mo pa takaran eh. Kailangan, dapat may judge sa inyo. Ito naman, 3 out of 5. Okay. Tatlo ka sa 5 laban.
Ganon.
Oo. Kung gusto mo, ganon.
Goodbye.
Topic. Pino. Hindi, dapat may referee dito. Pino, yung referee dito. Ikaw mag-score sa kamay. Madaya yung pisang kurun eh. Tumatarantado. Bato, pick.
On.
Topic. Topic.
Manalo ulit siya.
Oh, isa pa. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Kasi ikaw, reklamador ka yan. Talo ka. Sa aral sa iyo. Pero no, naging bato. Game. Hindi, teka. Hindi, tapos na siya. Ikaw. Okay. Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Ayun.
Naubos na sa pang-ikot. Papasa mo. Okay, sige, game. On your mark, get set, go. Kailangan, tayo ni Maximo ya, baka hati na agad eh. Utos tapat. Ano, yung naman, lilipat ko lang kayo, no? On your mark, get set, go! Maximo.
Tikta.
Hop. Tapos ka na kanina, di ba? Diyan ka lang. Panalo na kayo. 2 out of 3 naman ito. Ulit. 1-0 na.
Okay, sure. Ano na?
Go! Quiet, go! Baka ginagano natin yung natin ng mga oh, yan po yan, sabay na, galing. Galing mo. Ayan. Wala na ako. Pero pwede. Tama yan, sabi na kayo. Ulit, oh. All one. Final round na, final round. Ay sila, ito kayo na nanalo state at ulit.
Manalo sila kanina.
Ay, kanina sina Cirilo naman.
Si Sila nanalo.
Ngayon ang nanalo sila. Oh, tabla. Tabla, alam mo ba yung tabla? Lumber yun.
Last game. Last game.
Last game. Oh, request ko lang, unahin niyo yung babae. Alternate gawin nyo, alternate. Babae, lalaki, babae. Oh. Ito na si Pilar. Medyo hindi ka ganado, no? Medyo nangihina ka, mahina ang iyon mo. Okay, Mark, let's go! Ayos, sabay na sabay. Oh. Tingnan na yung gusto mo. Ay, sabay na sabay. Ayan. Ito na ang last kita. Alright. Ako, ito. Si John. Ako, harap. John, wag ganyan. Masama tignan eh. Ay! Alright. Panalo kayo. Panalo kayo. Joe kasi, masama yung ginagawa mo eh. Hindi mo kaya mga mga 400, tiki-tiki sa kayo. Circle. Ano lalaki palagi sa loob? Pag-ingot nyo, dapat malayo ha. Kung saan ka matapat, kung saan kayo matapat, pitikin nyo. Ang iikot ang babae. Ay, sila lang naman ang iikot eh.
Ikaw talaga ako.
Ang ganito yung istorya niyan.
Tawa ka.
Dahil tayo matanda na,
Saging na lang.
mga karap na lang tayo. Baka kayo tingin isa. Oh, malamig yan. Ako eh, matanda na eh, kaya malamig na.
Oo, lalambutin. Tapos, ubos. Oo na makaubos.
Wait kayo.
Oh, ito instruction, ito instruction. Okay, makinig. Ha? Yung mga lalaki, kami ng lalaki, sa likod.
Banana man.
Paano
Ha?
ba ilalagay niya?
Kamay, sa likod.
Tinikitin nyo.
Tingin nyo.
Handa na tayo kaya malamig na. Ilabas mo ng puti baka ano ba ako? Hindi, ganito. Ay, naku. Makinig! Hindi, game time. Pare-pareho naman tayo. O yan, ang kamay sa likod.
Hindi kami gaganyan.
Pagkakataw. Ito, dahil si Auring, dalaga pa, ito tama-tama ito. Ngayon makakaranas ka. Duda ka na? O, hindi makakaranas ka na. Mamaya titignan ko paano mahawa ka ng sagin.
Paliwanag mo na, hindi niya maintindihan.
Ito ha, iikot kayo.
Pinto ka.
Makakapin kayo. Pag sabihin niya siya, ikat mo. Okay, ganito. Iikot kayo. Ikot ng ikot. Walang tigil. Baka mamimit kayo. Ikot ng ikot. Pag namatay ang music, hawak. Hawak.
Kaway po kayo. Kaway po.
Yan ang puprotesta. Gusto raw lamasin. Hindi, wala kayong kukunin. Ito lang. Yo! Gusto, pwede bahala ako ano gusto mong gawin.
Kailangan, wag mo.
Teka. Practice lang.
Okay, practice lang daw, practice.
Walang sityo talaga. Talagang mabaksik ang nito. Pag-aagawa ng babae. Pero ang ginawa mo kasi mali. Dapat hawak lang. Ano ba mo ginawa ha? Huwag mo puputulin. Kawawa naman yan. Okay na to, game na. Okay. Akala ko si Ori nahihiya. Sino ba? Ba't kayo bibitaw? Bibitaw ko. Okay, sige. Okay na, bitaw na. Okay, baka na. Ayaw kayo konti. Sino ba? Ayan, punta kayo kay Pinong, yung mga naaalis, meron kayong premyo. Okay. Jose. Auring ito, walang mahawak sa kanya, oh. Hawakan mo. Ayaw mo ba ng saging? Hawakan mo. Gusto ko makita ang hawak ko. Tingnan kung paano ko humawak. Okay. Sino wala? Sino yung wala nakuha?
Babae kanina eh.
Dapat magbawas.
Ay, siya.
Ayun, masan. Meron pa rito. Oy, yung wala dyan, ito pa, oh.
Oring.
Nauna si Oring. Tagal na. Bob, okay ka na. Thank you. Sino yung wala? Ayaw, lapit ka kay Pinong. Kahit pa paano meron kayo natanggap. Next. Teka. Kailangan hawak, hindi pwedeng walang hawak. Auring, hindi pwedeng, dapat lagi kami hawak. Luba ka na eh. Nabawasan na ba? Teka. Circle kayo, circle. Ayun,
ko nakunan.
Nasasanay na. Nasasanay na naman.
Tapi, may tumutumbok dyan. Ano ba yung nananambok dyan? Yung laing nababasa ka na. Talaga si David talaga, ang babaw ng kaligayahan. Okay, bumasa ka na. Teka muna tayo, mamas. Oh, David, sige. O, tayo, bumili na si David, bumalik ka. Tuloy mo na mabibiting ka niyan, sasakit ang ulo.
Layo!
Dito po na na.
David, alis na. Pasanay sa'yo.
Okay.
Kailangan malaki ang sirke para ano. Everybody dance. Kailangan sumasayaw. Kailangan sumasayaw. Kung hindi sumasayaw. Masyado ka naman. I-share mo naman sa iba yung sabi mo. Oo.
Di ba kagawan?
Hindi, nakahipo lang. Sana lang. Alright, final. Go. Malayo. Umikot ka. Umikot ka ng tataan ka. Oo, pwede yan. Kaya yan. Huwag na, baka matapapa. Sige, isang ikot ka lang. Okay.
Okay, game.
Game na game. Ako! May kailangan sexy sa'yo, ha? Yan! Sige mo, baby! Ready now! Oh! Mayra, di ba yung nakuha mo naman yung tunay eh? Nakuha yung tunay. Yun sa, Rosalie, ikaw pansagin ka na lang. O, palampakan natin sila, mga sports. Wala.
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y lakan at yakan.
So, please repeat after me. Praise God for granting us the strength and the gift of friendship and camaraderie and of being alive. We are also grateful for the support that we got and most thankful for the batsmen around us. We wish ourselves a joyful, safe,
dating na nga
and healthy body and mind
ang iyong
for the rest of our lifetime. Godspeed, everyone.
sabay tayong mga ngarap ng nakaraan sa
We hope to see each other again
ang
soon.
nakalipas
Thank you very much, everyone.
babalik na. Ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na
Sabihan nila sa susunod. So we will try to, we will work on 10 to 6. But we have to look for another venue kasi mainit. Actually, nilagyan ko lang namin net para din sa namin. Gaya niya ito kamahal ang Bands 68. Okay, tayo muna, pagmuli.
ang nakalipas
Yung hindi gusto pa sumayaw, sumayaw. Yung mga gusto nang umuwi, huwag mo na kayo umuwi, sumayaw kayo. Yeah, okay, everybody dance.
Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so, by the way, I thank you. Oh, and then for the times when we were apart, well, then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends
you can always count on me. Oh, for sure. 'Cause I tell you that's what friends are for. Oh, good times, never bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Yeah.
Only for sure.